Is the Edelweiss Life Premier Guaranteed Star Pro plan truly the key to long-term financial security, or are there smarter investment avenues waiting to be explored? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are: it gives you comprehensive life insurance cover to safeguard your family's financial future, and you get to choose from two benefit structures, which are lump sum option. Another one is lump sum plus income option. So based on your needs you can choose, and to achieve your long term goals, there is a plan that provides you guaranteed benefits. So you can also achieve your long-term goals with this plan that provides guaranteed benefits, and you can enhance your protection by adding optional riders for an additional premium. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit and income benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So some of the advantages are: you can strengthen your coverage with optional rider benefits. You can also avail a loan of up to 60% of the policy's surrender value, and all the policy benefits are fully guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some drawbacks as well. So the disadvantages are: although the benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns are not competitive. The sum assured may fall short of providing adequate and comprehensive life cover. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. So if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So in the analysis part of the video, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustrations given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for example purpose, let us now assume that a 40-year-old male has opted for this plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So a 20-year policy term and a 12-year premium payment term paying 1 lakh annually. He has chosen the lump sum option. So under the structure, he pays premium for 12 years and receives a maturity benefit plus the guaranteed additions at the end of 20 years. The total maturity value is 28.79 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 6.07% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So this is below the inflation rate, making the return unattractive. Moreover, the investment stays locked until the end of the policy term, meaning an additional 8-year wait after completing premium payments. The 10 lakh sum assured is also insufficient to provide meaningful financial protection. So with limited liquidity, low life coverage and subpar returns, this policy does not serve well as either an insurance product or an investment solution. So now, as we note that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis in which we are going to take an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment like the Edelweiss policy, here we are going to invest in it separately to see whether that can give us better outcomes. So for life cover purpose, we have taken a term insurance policy. So for a fair comparison, we have also used same or similar parameters from the earlier example. So here in this policy, it offers a 10 lakh sum assured, which costs us 10,700 rupees annually for a 20-year term with a 10-year premium payment period. This leaves us with 89,300 rupees per year from the 1 lakh allocated earlier, which can now be invested based on risk preference. High-risk investors may choose equity-based instruments, and low-risk investors may prefer debt products. So in this comparison, for your easy reference, we have used both PPF and equity mutual fund as examples. So PPF requires a minimum annual contribution of 500 rupees for 15 years. Since the premium payment term is for 10 years, adjustments are made to comply with PPF rules. The PPF maturity value works out to be 30.19 lakhs, generating an IRR of 6.40%. So investing the annual savings into an equity mutual fund after accounting for capital gains tax at redemption produces a post-tax maturity value of 54.36 lakhs, which is a pre-tax value of 60.39 lakhs. The combined IRR from the term insurance plus equity mutual fund strategies 10.53%, which is the post-tax return. And if you want to know how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So these returns comfortably beat inflation and provide far better liquidity. So this comparison clearly highlights the advantages of keeping insurance and investments separate, like yielding higher returns, improved flexibility, and superior financial efficiency, benefits that the Edelweiss policy does not deliver. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Premier Guaranteed Star Pro plan worth it or not? So this policy provides you with life coverage along with guaranteed benefits, either as a lump sum or as periodic payouts followed by a final lump sum. So while these benefits are assured from the offset, the Edelweiss policy lacks investment flexibility and locks in your funds until maturity. So moreover, the life cover offered is insufficient and it also has a high agent commission. The return analysis further shows that this policy delivers suboptimal long-term returns. So overall, it is a combination of poor returns, restricted liquidity, and inadequate life coverage makes it unsuitable as both an insurance product and an investment avenue. In short, this policy does not add meaningful value to your portfolio. A more effective strategy is to separate insurance and investment. A pure term insurance policy offers robust financial protection at a low cost, while your investments can be diversified and aligned with your risk profile, time horizon, and life goals. Creating a solid financial plan is crucial for long-term stability.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.